Knowing who is given to previous campaigns but not have given to this campaign is an important part of your fundraising efforts. Total Community Manager's report team has developed an advanced Lybunt report to help you with that. To understand the functionality of this report, once you install it into TCM, go into Design, go to the Detail Report, and you'll see the fields that will be brought out. This report also has the functionality of creating an envelope where you can put in your own return address and logo or run pre-printed envelopes, or to run an actual letter to the people who've been identified in this report. As with all reports, this letter can be edited to specific to your organization with your letterhead and logo, or you can run it blank and run it on pre-printed letterhead. To edit the letter itself, you would click the box, go to Edit, then the Rich Text Editor will open up, as with all of our other reports. You can modify this and adapt it any way you want, or have our support team help you with it. To run the report, we'll go to Preview, click the magnifying glass, and this will come up and tell you that it'll pick one campaign, and then it'll pull the people who haven't given to that campaign within specific date ranges. We're going to choose the report. We're going to add it to the list. We're going to select the appeal that we want to not include. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to use the start date and end date within a very large date range because we're using demonstration data. We're going to select the two campaigns we want to identify the donors from. And again, we're going to keep the date range very large. And then we're going to run the report. You'll see over here that the first page is blank because of the complexity of this report and the different formats we can run it in, but if you click below, you'll see the data that it was produced. This looks very condensed onto this sheet because there's a lot of information, but when you do export it into Excel, you'll be able to see that the format comes out perfectly. To print it to Excel, we would go to File, Print to File, select Excel, and then wherever you want to save it. If we want to go in and print the letter, what we would do is go back to the letter, make sure it's what we want it to be, go to Preview, we'll go to the magnifying glass again, select the campaigns, and this time we're going to select Letter. We'll select the same campaigns, keep the date range the same, click OK, and now you can see the letters ready to print exactly from the report without doing a mail merge. If you have more questions about this or need more information, please contact support@tcmgr.com or call 207-956-8264 or contact your TCM associate.